Hi Slime Squad! Today on Will It Slime, we're testing 5 no-glue slime recipes. Some of these are even one ingredient. Let's get started. For this first slime, I'm using black peel-off face mask. I've actually never tried the black face mask before. Next, I'm adding glitter. Oh yeah, obviously, you don't have to add glitter, but if you have it, why wouldn't you? Pink, purple, hollow, and green. I added some styrofoam balls too, because why not? Oh, that's so pretty. I use Stay Flow as my activator, but you can use borax or contact lens solution as well. That's right, no glue galaxy slime. I love it, but you know what? I need more glitter, and in fact, I just happen to have some star-shaped glitter. Perfect. There you have it, galaxy slime without glue. Next up is the OG of no glue slimes. I'm putting some toothpaste and food coloring in a glass bowl. Again, you don't need the food coloring though. I'm going to mix this up and put it in the microwave for about 3 seconds at a time and check back later. Prepare to have your mind blown. I'm only using coconut water shampoo and I'm just putting a tiny bit in my bowl. You almost can't see it. I'm going to put it in the fridge for a little bit and check back. Now for some no glue butter slime. I'm starting out with Model Magic air dry clay. You don't need 2 colors, but it looks so pretty mixing it, and I had to do it. I'm just shaping it into a bowl shape, and now I'm going to pour a little water in it. Just blend it together, and ta-da! Butter slime. And of course, I can't leave it alone. I have to add glitter. Now, I just need some toast. For this next slime, we need 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. I'm going to fill my bowl about halfway full. Now all you need is styrofoam plate or cup. Place your styrofoam in the nail polish and watch the magic happen. This is so crazy, it just disappears. Now I just have to pull my slime out. Oh wait, can't mess up my nails. I'm going to get some help from Riley. That is some super stretchy slime squad. You can actually put this in an airtight container and it lasts for a long time. But of course, if you leave it out, it dries up quickly. Let's check back on our toothpaste slime. Check it out. This totally works. Of course, I knew it would because we were the first channel to try this. Next, let's check in on the shampoo slime after being in the refrigerator for a few hours. This is crazy. It totally worked. Most refrigerated slimes on YouTube are fake, but this one is totally real. I decided I had to add some styrofoam balls to it and take it up a notch. I can't believe how well this works. It's awesome. I didn't think a shampoo slime would work, but it did, so I thought I'd make a bigger one. So this time I filled my bowl up more and I'm adding some green food coloring. Oh, I just love watching color mix into clear. This time I put the shampoo in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Look at this! I can't believe how well this worked! It's crazy! Could this be the best one ingredient slime ever?